Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our channel Classes Online I Love English. Today we are going to start our lessons in our book Grade 6 Access Unit 3 School. In this video we will look through the activities in the Access book Unit 3 School Lesson 10 Review. It's better to have your books with you to follow me on pages 50 and 60. I hope you will enjoy the class, and if you are ready, let's begin. Now, my dear students, let's start our lesson, Unit 3, Lesson 10, and our learning objectives is to review the structures and vocabulary related to Unit 3 Sport. Let's start by Activity 1, Vocabulary. You are going to complete the sentence with the words in the box. These are the most important words in Unit 3: history, cooking, worried, study, sleep, uniform. First, we have to read each sentence and find the key word that will help us to choose the right answer. My favorite class is I like learning about all things. Which one of these words help us to learn about all things? History. Yes, because history is the study of past events. Sam learns how to make pizza in which class? Which class helps us to learn how to make pizza? I think you have figured it out. It's cooking class. In cooking class, we learn how to make pizza and a lot of food. Abdul Rahman forgot his book. Now he is. When you forgot your book, how do you feel? Now, for Abdul Rahman, he forgot his book. Now he is, I need here, feeling. So he is worried. Number 4. You should for 8 hours every night. What should we do for 8 hours every night? The keyword here is night, so we should sleep for 8 hours every night. We wear a school. The keyword here is a school. What do we wear? At school, we wear a school uniform. In this photo, you can see a school uniform. Number 6, I, math and science at school. I need a verb related to math and science at school, so I study. Now we have finished activity 1, vocabulary, in our lesson 10 review. Let's move to the second activity, which is activity 2. It's reading. Here we are going to read the adverb. This is an adverb about a club. It's a school club. We are going to answer the questions with a partner. What are the questions? First, we have to read the questions carefully. What is the name of the club? When do they meet? And what do students learn to do? First, the name of the club, it's written here. This is the name of the club. And please, we are going to write the answers in full sentences. So, what's the name of the club? It's Gr6 School Horse Racing Club. And we have to write it capital because it's a name of a club. When do they meet? We are going to find the keyword meet, and we need the timing of their meeting. Do you like horses? Do you like racing? Join our horse racing club. Our students learn to ride, care for horses, and race. We meet here. Here is the keyword meet. When do they meet? Meet every Wednesday at 5 p.m. So they meet every Wednesday at 5 p.m. What do students learn? Here the keyword is learn. What do they learn to do? Learn is here, learn. So students learn to ride, care for horses, and race. Now we have finished activity 2, reading. We have read an adverb and answered some questions related to the adverb. Now let's move to our next activity, which is language. So activity 3 is about language. We are going here to complete the sentence, reorder this sentence with should or shouldn't. Should is an auxiliary verb, and we often use should when offering advice or opinions. We use should to give advice or make recommendation. You say your opinion or your advice about something. Should sleep for 8 hours. You start with the capital U. You advise your friend, telling her you should. You should. You should what? You should sleep for 8 hours. You is followed by should, and then the main verb, and then you have to complete the sentence. You should sleep for 8 hours. The second one also it's an advice. You should what? You should eat fruit, and don't forget to put the full stop and use the capital letter at the start of the sentence. For number 3, you advise also your friend by telling her you shouldn't. What activity your friend shouldn't do? You shouldn't go. You shouldn't, and then the main verb, go to bed. You shouldn't go to bed late. The last one, also you advise your friend by telling her you should what? You should talk to your teacher. Don't forget to use the capital letter at the start and full stop at the end of your sentence. Now we have finished activity 3, language. I hope you follow me using your box. The last activity is activity 5. It's about reading and writing. We're going to read this email from Reem to her friend Huda and answer this question, what's her problem? So Reem has a problem and she wrote an email to her friend Huda to tell her about this problem. I need some advice. The students in my class are loud or speak loudly. They always talk in the class and I can't hear what the teacher says. So Reem has a problem, which is the students in her class are loud. In the new version of the book, they say speak loudly. That's Reem's problem. The students in her class are loud. Now, what should Reem do? We have to advise Reem by writing 3 sentences to complete the email reply. We are going to write a reply to Reem's email and advise her about that. What should Reem do? Dear Reem, you should talk to your teacher. That is the first advice. Also, you should tell your classmates to listen to the teacher carefully. They should raise their hands for the answer and be patient and wait for their turn. Of course, girls, you can write these advices or you can think of other pieces of advice to tell Reem. I hope this will help you. You have to end the email and write your name here, your friend, and then write your name. Here we have wrote the email from Reem and we have written a reply to Reem about some pieces of advice we think that they could help Reem in her problem. Now we have reached the end of our class. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you all and goodbye.